Hey there mga Mards! I'm back and today we are going to review the Bear and Bliss products that they gave me when I visited the BlogCon at Megatrade Hall. Ito yung binigay nila sa akin. I have here the products mga Mards. So yeah, they gave it to me. Of course, dahil kasama ko yung daughter ko, kaya ako nabigyan. I'm really glad that hindi lang pala isa yung laman. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. I'm going to review all the products that they gave. Okay, so we have here the matte tint full bloom transfer proof mga Mards. So ito siya and it's in the shade Fresh Dawn 01. Meron na tayong matte tint for our lips. They also gave me a lip tint Peach Makes Perfect. Korean yung nakasulat sa ibaba niya. So hindi ko na mabasa. Okay, so it's in the shade Cool Summer S15. Sige, try natin pareho. Siguro eto muna and then, kasi ito matte tint. So, lalagay ko na siya dito sa tabi. Oh, they also gave me camera rolling action. Oh, tinan mo. Ayan. Okay, so, roll to volume mascara with nourishing polypeptides. Okay, this is in black, mga Mards. Finally, mga Mards. This is the Bloom Dew Cover and Glow two-way cake with SPF 30 PA+++. So, they also have a two-way cake. I remember when I was still in grade school, there's a two-way cake that they always use for us kids. So marami kami sa choir. So siguro mga 30 na kids yon. So they use a two-way cake and I remember it's the Kokuryo brand. So parang babasain lang nila yung yung tawag nito, yung sponge and then didip nila doon and then yun ang ginagamit nila sa mga kids. But well, I think it's also good kasi yung mga namin, yung mga skin namin hindi naman nasira. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use this as my foundation today. So it's two-way cake, cover and glow. Alright, so yun na yung laman mga Mards. Tabi ko muna. Okay, and as you can see, ang kintab-kintab ng mukha ko because I already put moisturizer. So, ngayon maglalagay lang ako ng sunscreen, which this sunscreen I always use this and yeah, I think I've been using this for months now. Like siguro since I started to buy this, paulit-ulit na lang akong bumibili. So, this is the Ultra White Sunscreen by Hikari. Okay, yung hair natin itabi natin. So, naka-ano ako mga Mards, naka-earphones ako kasi I just would like to hear myself kasi baka mamaya wala na namang, alam mo yun, wala na namang audio. Ang hirap kaya mag-edit. Walang audio. Alright, so, ganito lang ako maglagay ng sunscreen. Okay. Nag-alcohol na ako ng kamay ko mga Mards. You know me, I always disinfect my hands. Oh, wait. Ayan, ang kapal. Meron nga pala akong salamin dito. Actually, nagsasalamin ako ngayon sa camera. Okay. Mirror here for my vlog. Ayan, that's better. Medyo mahina yung ilaw, but yes. It's okay. Okay lang malagyan yung aking eyebrows. It's sunscreen anyway. Ooh. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you mga Mards. Oh, diba ang ganda? Hindi ko pa talaga to nabubuksan mga Mards. Okay, so ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan. Nabisi ang inyong lola. By the way, I'm in the shades Hibiscus LW0. Ayan. Hindi ko pa talaga alam kung anong itsura nito mga Mards. Pwede na tayo mag ASMR dito. Wow, ang ganda. Look at that. Two-way cake. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda. It's stylish, mga Mards. The white one, this is for the finishing powder. Ito yung parang foundation. Alright, so meron din siyang mirror, mga Mards. And of course, a sponge, a really very cute sponge here. So soft. This is an ultra light two-way cake, mga Mards. So it's enriched with Moonstone technology and Korean sebum lock technology. So this multi-action skin perfector provides a 24-hour matte and radiance blurring complexion. From the word blurring, so mabablur niya yung siguro itong mga to. Mabablur niya yung skin mo to make it look more smooth. It has a Moonstone technology. So those who don't know Moonstone, I'm using one now. Eto. This is Moonstone, mga Mards. So Moonstone also pala is good for inner and outer beauty. So Moonstone, ang ginagawa ng Moonstone sa ating skin, okay, it restores the divine energy in both men and women. So if you are seeking beautiful skin and beauty from within, considering wearing it like this two-way cake foundation of Bare and Bliss, the gem resolves emotional issues and hormonal changes, mga Mards. Oh my God, meron akong mga hormonal changes because I'm already a golden girl. Okay, and it enhances your inner and outer beauty. Oh, besides wearing it, mga Mards, meron pa akong makeup. Let's try this one, mga Mards. So, the first thing that we are going to do is just apply it on one side para makita natin yung difference, mga Mards. So, B plus N plus B beauty philosophy is embracing, embracing the B and B beauty philosophy with the cover and glow two-way cake offering high coverage and smooth finish. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay, this, mga Mards, is 0% alcohol, cruelty-free. It's also vegan-friendly, eco-friendly, dermatologically tested, and non-comedogenic. See? Nakita nyo na ba yung difference? This is the one side of my face, and this is where I put the Bare and Bliss. As it says, it blurs the skin, so nabiblur niya. So this one also, mga Mard, has niacinamide and Miracle Bloom Essence to deliver a healthy matte and radiant glow that applies smoothly on the skin. Kaya ang ano lang niya, very smooth lang siya na i-apply, mga Mards. So, ayan, nakikita nyo na yung difference. I'm sure, I'm really very sure. Diba? Okay, this side is parang naka-foundation na siya, ng very light lang. It's very natural, mga Mards. Okay, so yung isa, dahil wala siyang foundation, kita mo lahat, kitang-kita yung mga mga blemishes. Also, ang kintab-kintab. Alright, so lalagyan ko na yung other side. So, later, we're going to use the white one, this one, as finishing powder. Alright, so, mag-ano muna tayo, mag-eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Romand eyeshadow that I have. And then, so let's start with the lip tint, mga Mards. This, again, lip tint, Peach Makes Perfect lip tint. Wow! Alright, so ayan siya, mga Mards. Okay, so ayan siya. Oh, metal talaga siya, mga Mards. Look. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. So, this is Bare and Bliss, mga Mards, lip tint, which makes perfect lip tint in the shade S15 Cool Summer. The Bare and Bliss Fresh Dawn in 01. Papanggalin din natin. Sayang. matte tint, mga Mards. So, eto. Meron akong ganito eh. I just don't remember kung anong shade. But I think in different shade. Let's try this one. So, this one has a sponge. Yeah, the sponge. Aha. Anong color nito? Oh gosh. Diba? Ang pale ko. I look so pale. Ang ganda dito. Ito siya mga Mards eh. Oh, look. Hindi ako nag-swatch, no? Ang hirap kasi magtanggal. Ganda naman niya eh. Oh, ayan no? Look. Parang pinkish din. Parang pinkish nude. Alright, so the final one, the camera rolling action. Step 1 for a better result. Curl your eyelashes first. My God. Wala naman akong i-curl. Oh my goodness. Baala na. Alright. It's pink. Okay, so this is the Roll to Volume Mascara by Bare and Bliss. Hindi ko alam. So, mag-mascara tayo sa walang... Meron naman ako. Okay, laki. Wow. Grabe. Hindi ko makita yung aking mga lashes. Ngayon nakikita ko na. Mga Mards, I recommend this Roll to Volume Mascara by Bare and Bliss. Ang ganda. Wala akong hindi ko makita yung lashes ko kanina kaya hindi ako nag-curl. Pero ngayon, after ko maglagay ng mascara, kitang-kita ko na siya. Tapos ang haba niya, kakahaba. So, I think may fiber siya. Our finishing powder. So, I'm going to use the white one, mga Mards. Nakaka-highlight, mga Mards. So, ito nga tayo maglagay. See? Ay, ganda. Ha! O, diba? Nawala yung under... Wala na yung under eye ek ko dito. Kanina parang kitang-kita mo. Diba nawala? Wow! Nice! Ang ganda. I also recommend this, mga Mards. Especially sa mga moms. If you go out, instead na yung powder lang, ito na gamit. Ang ganda niya, mga Mards. And 24-hour daw, so i-wear test natin. Oh, it's 3:23, mga Mards. So, okay, mag-update ako before I go to bed. So, ang ganda ng makeup ko. It's very natural. Yan ang gusto kong makeup ngayon. Natural lang. Ang ganda rin ng hair ko, mga Mards. Pansinin nyo naman. Sariling sikap yan. Sariling sikap. Ako lang nagkukulay niya. Thank you so much, mga Mards. I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye!